Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This again. We're going to do today, we're going to get ready for a test and tune for tomorrow. It's Friday afternoon. It's a beautiful day out of here. But anyway, test session number 2, officially. Well, actually officially number 3, because the first one didn't go good. Second test session went a lot better. Tomorrow's supposed to be a beautiful day. In fact, they have test and tune tonight, Friday night, and they have it Saturday afternoon. So we chose to do it Saturday afternoon. It's going to be kind of chilly tonight. I don't want to contend with the coldness out there. Anyway, going to get the trailer pulled out, car in the shop, got some things that need to get fixed on it, and go from there. But anyway, so let's get started and get the car out of here and get the thing ready for test and tune for tomorrow. Okay, here we go. Okay, what we're going to do is put 4 or 5 passes on it. What we're going to do is get up on the lift. I'm going to check all the bolts, K-member bolts, any bolts that could come loose. We're going to go ahead and check. Okay, I don't want to go to track and actually losing bolts. Toward the end of last season, usually I do my routine checks. I missed my K-member bolts. 1 fell out. The other 2 were loose. I'm not too sure why everything's loose because I thought I torqued everything down good. But anyway, we're going to make sure everything's good and tight, and if it's good, if it's loose, we'll tighten it up, but for now, we can get up on the lift, check some bolts real quick, then we'll work on the electronics part of this. Basically, I did not have any AFR recording going on. When I flipped the recorder on, it was not actually, let me just put it this way, it was recording, but I can't retrieve the data from it. Because I hit the power switch, it doesn't come over. I don't know. But anyway, it's not recording properly. So I need to get my laptop out and check the voltage and all that stuff and see what's going on with it. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, the car is cold. It's methanol, so let's see how many pumps are going to get this thing going. Here we go. Almost. She's cold. Can you get some brake cleaner? It's cold. Don't want to start. It's only problem with methanol. When the motor's really cold, you know, it's been in the shop, it's still cold up here. sometimes those are hard to get started during the colder months. So a little bit of brake cleaner will shoot down the carburetor, and then she'll fire up. So what happens. Ready? Just spray it. Woohoo! Nice day. Go testing too. Kind of chilly out here. It's like 50 something, 60 maybe. So get everything loaded up. Waiting on Pops to show up to head to the track. Okay. Oops. We made it here. Check the tire pressure. Gotta get tacked in and get this thing going down the track, see how we do. So anyway, more to come. Beautiful day out here, isn't it? Okay, right off the trailer, we didn't do anything other than just warmed it up, took it right down the track. Let's see if you can see that or not. Yes, it's 61 with the 102.88. 145, 60 foot. This thing is moving. We got really good weather here right now, so only like 343 DA. So the car loves this weather. So anyway, we are going to do a jet change. I'm going to add a little bit more fuel to it. Before I do that, I'm going to look at the air-fuel ratio. Hopefully it recorded this time, and we'll see, make a judgment call from there. But anyway, I'm happy. I don't know if we'll go into 50 or not today, but we are sure going to give it a good try. So anyway, let's get to it. Okay, we did a nice little jet change. Like this time right here, I'm in the right lane. So it ran a 59 with the 5, 103.35. So going up on the jet, 4 sizes, picked it up. So I'm very pleased. That's why I thought it needed more fuel, and it loved it. So I cannot believe this. This is my first time that car's been in the 50s. So I'll take it. Car is really. So anyway, not too sure how much more testing. Not too sure I'm going to add more fuel to it. I might do a quarter mile pass just for the heck of it. See what she's going to run. So anyway, more to come. Putting what, 158s. Had 50, start off 50s. We're at 50, went to 54, picked up. We're gonna go 58s and see if the mile per hour picks up anymore.
Showing 649.
Okay.
Humidity only 35%.
Yes.
Wow. Ain't compressing no water today, are we?
Nope. She's good dry and it's low DA. If you want to run your best times, this would be a good day to do it. See if we can get this thing a little bit quicker in the 50s. Might not be able to, but I'm going to give it a shot. Okay, that pass, it slowed down just a little bit, so we going to go back down to the previous jet size we have in it. Then going to get the carburetor back on, make one more pass, and see if it doesn't respond. So anyway, we can go back down to 154s. We had 158s in there. So put the 154s back in, then we'll make a pass. There's my phone again. Lays back there. That trailer. Anyway, did a jet change. We took the 4 back out of it, and it ran a 61. So I'm gonna probably leave that jet 54 in there, 154 in there. So I think we're good to go. So mile per hour wise, about the same. So I think we're good. So anyway, let's get this thing loaded up. We'll get out of here. There. Let's set some of the stuff down. Got way too much stuff in my hands. Okay, guys. Excuse the beeping noise. Neighbors across the street getting a new driveway put in. Anyway, very successful test and tune. We learned a lot what that car needs now with the new heads. Man, we really went up on the jet sizes to make that thing really haul. So I'm very pleased with it. I mean, we got it in the 650s, high 650s, but nevertheless it is in the 650s. So very pleased overall with the car. We had several low 660 passes, 661s, 2s maybe highest, but definitely a couple 50s in there. So I'm very pleased with the results and all that good stuff. So with that, this is a wrap for this test and tune session. Next week, if our weather permits, the first bracket race was rained out up to Mocan, so no racing up there. But next Sunday we have a bracket race up there, and we'll be heading up there. It'll be our first one, even though it's race number 2, but we'll be heading up there and see what we can do. So I can't wait to get up there and maybe get this thing in the winner circle this year. So anything with that, if you do like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that like button and leave me a comment if you want to. So other than that, I'm out of here.